What's up, guys? So today we're back with TNTL the YouTuber. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a chicken mashed potato bowl. So let's get into it.
What you got, buddy?
So right now we have some boiling water, some popcorn chicken bites.
Popcorn chicken.
Yep, and then some more chicken.
Some more.
Some sharp cheddar cheese, some potatoes, and some more potatoes.
2 packs of potatoes.
Yep. We got some corn.
The corn.
Some beef gravy.
And you can use dry or canned or whatnot.
Yep, and then we got another can of beef.
So, boiling water.
Yep.
How much do we have in there?
8
half cups.
Yep.
8 half cups is how many full cups?
8 half cups. That'd be 4 cups.
4 cups. And we have the oven preheated to 350. So, what do we do first?
So first, what we're going to do is we're going to take the mashed potatoes. So we're going to open this up.
Try not to get it all over everything.
Yep, and then we're going to...
And we washed our hands and all that first,
yes,
right?
always wash your hands. Oh, stop.
Why don't you get a knife?
Yeah. Plan B, get a knife. Nice. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to pour your potatoes in the pan.
Try not to get it all over everything. Your mom will beat us.
Yep.
Okay. We dumped 2 of them in there.
Oh no. Oh no.
Okay. One more.
Alright, now you grab the other kind. Nice. Oh, this time I opened it good.
Okay.
Nice. Okay.
And then we put the water in there. Let's turn the stove off.
Yep.
Can you pour the water in there or do you need help?
Help. Nice. I remember the last time I...
And then stir that up.
Yep, stir it up.
Hold on, one more.
Now this is gonna make mashed potatoes.
Okay. And now what? It ain't gotta be perfect because we're still gonna mix stuff.
Yeah.
What else we put in there?
We're also gonna put some cheese, some popcorn chicken.
No, what goes in next?
The chicken. Wait, no.
Put as much chicken as you like. Start out with this almost empty bag. Just dump it in there.
Oh, okay.
We like doing this on a school night, like Taekwondo or something, where we are busy. And it gives leftovers to take to work the next day. Is that all of it?
Yeah. Let's see.
All right. Now put it what's left in the other one.
I'm just gonna dump it. This one. Uh-oh. Let's spread this out a little bit.
All right. Oh, your mom gonna go nuts.
Yep.
Now, open the corn.
Corn time. Nope, no opening.
Why am I telling you? You know how to do this.
Yeah. Alright, so if I remember, goes like this. Oh, wait, wrong way.
No, you had it right.
Oh, I did? Huh.
But you still had it cut upside down. The cutter wheel goes on top, and the geared wheel, the drive wheel, goes on the bottom.
Oh, and then...
You squeeze it. There you go.
There we go. Pop this bad boy open.
If you don't do it all the way, it'll drain out easier.
Yep. Yeah.
Open it up. Take it off.
Yeah.
Let's drain. Drain.
Nice.
Now finish opening it and dump that in there.
Right. Alright, this. Here. get it right where I have it. Oh no, it won't. There we go. Opened.
Be careful not to cut yourself.
Yep.
Press down
Press down.
and then lift out. And dump that in there. And whirl that around like you want it.
Alright, should I
With the
use my
spoon.
hands?
Spoon's over there.
Yep, gonna say don't.
Level it all out. Oh.
I mean, I did an ish okay job.
You got a lot of chicken over there, not a lot of chicken over here. Unless the extra chicken side's for me.
Yeah. Extra chicken for Dad, 'cause he's the best.
No,
in the
put it
world.
back over here.
Alright. Extra chicken for Dad, best dad in the world.
All right. Now what?
Now, we're gonna pour our gravy on.
Here you go. You got it. Oh!
I'll open this one too.
Just do one at a time, just in case. You want more?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to open the second one. Now this tastes a lot like the KFC bowls, whatever. Not that we go to KFC that much. I don't know where we saw this. Where did we see this, buddy?
Oh. Yo. Dad just globbed it on there.
Well, because you're going to take the spoon
I mix it.
and you're gonna, there you go.
Oh, that's.
Get the gravy all over everything. Get the gravy on top.
Yeah. Oh, this sounds so satisfying.
You're brushing it like you Picasso, buddy.
What's Picasso?
A painter.
Oh.
He cut his ear off over a girl in mental illness.
Wow.
Okay.
Makes
Is that good like you want it?
Yep.
All right, now put cheese on there.
Cheese. Green beans. Where's the opening?
So what did we do today, buddy?
We went to a taekwondo.
We went to your second ever Taekwondo tournament, right?
Yep.
Last tournament of the season.
Mm-hmm.
And you're a yellow,
One. One.
put it over there. Don't get it on the floor. The dog will like it, but I don't like wasting cheese. You're a yellow 1.
Uh-huh.
So that means you've been promoted in Taekwondo a couple of times.
Yep.
And you did a forms.
Mm-hmm. I did.
And what form did you do?
I did. What, are we talking about patterns?
Yeah.
I did song.
Song Song. Which is the same thing you did for your belt when you got promoted, right?
Uh-huh. Yep.
And it's considered a harder pattern than the other one?
Yep.
Zhangji or something?
Chungji.
Chungji? You want more or is that enough?
That's enough.
You don't want any on the sides?
No. Alright, so now we're gonna mix this all up.
No. That's fine.
Oh.
Now we're going to put it in the oven. I had to put cheese on the edges, but that's just me. All right. And then let's timer for, let's say 45 minutes. All right. So let's finish talking about your pattern. So you did Song Song, and what else did you do?
I did 1 steps.
1 steps, which is kind of like sparring, but not quite.
Yeah. Like, it's basically sparring, but you're not touching your opponent.
So you do that, and then they do it to you, and then what else did you do? Did you do some punches too?
Yeah, at the end.
Do one. Okay. So you did that, and there was a lot of people. There was what, like 6 people in your age group in belt rank?
Yeah.
6, 7? How'd you do?
I got 1st place in 1 steps and 3rd place in pattern.
Yeah. You tied, actually, for both of them. But you won the 1 tie and got 1st. And then you, I guess, lost the 2nd tie and got 3rd?
Yeah.
Yeah. But I'm still proud of you.
Thanks.
Did you do your best?
Yeah.
Cool. So now you know how to make a date meal.
Yep.
So you got all your trophies to show your girlfriend. And now you can invite her over and cook her supper.
Uh-huh.
Right?
Yep.
Are you going to eat this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do I eat this? Do I like this? It's a good meal.
Yeah.
It's easy. All right. So we'll come back about 45 minutes and you can show everybody what it looks like.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm over here on the couch eating like civilized like this. Dad is over here. You love this.
And I'm a big boy.
Yeah, and you love this stuff.
All right. We'll see you in a minute.
See you in a minute, guys. Bye. Guys, so we're back with the gravy, chicken, cheese, and potatoes bowl. This is what it looks like.
Scooper.
Yeah, Dad lost the scooper. But we're scooping some in a bowl, as you can see. So, yeah. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
That's Dad's bowl.
Get that gravy. Yeah.
Nice, my dude.
You want some?
Sure.
It's kind of hot.
He's in front of the camera. Yeah. This is clean. Yep.
Why don't you just get a little?
Yeah.
Why don't you just get a little so it'll cool? You want a little bit of everything.
Yeah.
Here, get that chicken nugget too. Chicken nugget!
Nice.
All right. You want to come back when it cools or you want to try it hot?
When it cools. We let it cool off a little bit. So I'm going to try some. Bon appetit.
It's hot.
Not bad.
It's too hot. You don't look like it's good. You look like it's burning you.
6 out of 10.
But we eat this all the time, so we know it tastes good. Right? So, good family meal with some leftovers that the boy can cook. So he can cook and kick. Can you cook and kick? Are we going to do more cooking videos? We going to do some kicking videos?
Mm-hmm.
We ought to do a video about Sanji. Or what's your form, your pattern?
Sanji?
Yeah. Song. Hua. Okay, cool. Well, bye.